PWSA projects are funded from a variety of sources that include federal, state, and local agencies. This video will guide you through the solicitation process and the documentation required to submit a bid for PWSA projects funded by PENNVEST. This video should be used as a supplement to the Prime Contractor DBE Solicitation Effort Help Guide published by the state. To begin, download and complete the Contract Procurement Breakdown form found in the contract documents within the PWSA procurement system called Bonfire. This form will help you understand where opportunities exist to solicit disadvantaged business enterprises as a part of the project. List any work trade, equipment, services, and supplies that will be needed for this contract. List one item per line. Next, check yes if the estimated cost is greater than $750,000, or no if the cost is less than $750,000. Complete the additional checkboxes for each line item. Items marked as a purchase, rental, or subcontract will be the criteria for the Department of General Services, or DGS, website search and subsequent outreach to vendors. Items you already have in stock or any work you are performing yourself do not need to be included in the solicitation. To find qualified vendors, open the Department of General Services supplier search at the website below. Click on Advanced Search in the blue title bar and scroll down to the PA Counties box. If the item you're soliciting is under $750,000, you will check the boxes for Allegheny, Beaver, Butler, Washington, and Westmoreland counties. If the item is over $750,000, you will check the Select All Counties box. Next, proceed to the Supplier Classifications box. For PENNVEST purposes, you only need to check the boxes for Minority Business Enterprise and Woman Business Enterprise. Finally, move to the UNSPSC Code box and select the items listed in your Contract Procurement Breakdown form. Start with a general category and use the arrows on the left to select a more specific category if necessary. Each item must be one search. Do not type anything into the UNSPSC description box. Click on the Search button. If no results are found, you may be too specific in your UNSPSC search. Try selecting a more general category. If there are truly no results, save the search page to show that there is no commodity code to match your procurement item. Once you have a list of DBE firms, save each list as a PDF by typing Ctrl-P on a PC, Command-P on a Mac, or print on your internet browser. Export the list to Excel by selecting the Export to Excel button. The lists of vendors will be the recipients of your solicitation letter. Your solicitation letter should describe the goods or services that are being solicited with a clear deadline for responses. The letter must be sent via email 7 to 10 days ahead of the deadline. Use your Contract Procurement Breakdown form to create your solicitation letter. A sample letter is provided in the PENNVEST Prime Contractor DBE Help Guide. When sending the email, include delivery and read receipts on each solicitation that is sent. A second solicitation letter is required to be sent to any DBE firm who did not respond to the initial solicitation 4 to 5 days after the initial solicitation. The follow-up can use the original letter with second notice added to the top. Save correspondence received from the DBE firms to include in your submission. Download and complete the Prime Contractor DBE Compliance Statement. This form can be found in Bonfire. Here you will write the Pittsburgh Water and Sewer Authority under Grant or Loan Recipient Name. Contract number can be found on Bonfire. Write in the date of your initial solicitation, follow-up solicitation, date of search, counties searched, and how you solicited. Read through the checkboxes and submit everything listed there to PWSA. Remember to sign and date this form. Finally, collect all of the following documentation to submit with your bid to PWSA. Prime Contractor DBE Compliance Statement, Prime Contractor's Contract Procurement Breakdown Form, copies of the DGS Search, copies of the initial and follow-up solicitation letters, email delivery read receipts, correspondence received from solicited DBE firms. The PENNVEST solicitation requirements are now complete. Thank you for your interest in working with PWSA.